do I keep stuttering? Me and Gourdy are going to cook. This is going to turn out terribly.
Egg.
Okay. So, first we can start off with the cake. So I need a bowl, and now give me the egg. Put the egg in here. Put the chicken egg. What? Why is there another one?
Egg.
Why is there another one?
Egg.
It's broken. Whatever. Okay.
I think there's
So,
there we go.
why do you have it in another one? We don't need it in that one.
I'm sorry.
you can't clean it. Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay. We need this pink thing. And then, wait, it's missing butter.
Butter. And chocolate. Just chocolate, right?
Don't use the chocolate, because chocolate doesn't work. No. Okay, that should be good. And then mix this. There we go. So then we're gonna put it in.
Alright, so
here.
now we just gotta.
Now we put it in there. Okay, now we use this. We'll grab this white stuff. Pour it in there. What's so funny about it saying white stuff? And then just brutally stir like you're gonna stir your worst enemy.
Don't stop, get it. Don't stop, get it.
Put it in here. Now look at that cake, put it on a plate.
Cake.
Yes. Anyways, okay. Now we need to make another piece of white frosting because you wanna know why? We need it to cover this whole cake. So let's grab more of this white thing.
You mean this in here?
And then wait, bruh, I already had it though. And I already stirred it.
I'm not cray. I'm cray.
Put that in there. And then we'll decorate it. Gourdy, come over here. Okay. Go ahead and grab the strawberries. And then just put it anywhere you want. Also, you're gonna have to click your top trigger to place it down. Twin, you can't put it like that. You have to click your top.
What the fuck?
You have to click your top.
Why is there two?
Listen. Stop
There
thinking
four.
Listen. You need to click your top trigger. Your top trigger allows it to stick on there. These, if you put it on there, it's not going to stick. You just.
What are you doing?
You can do this. Look. You can do this. Trigger. What? Trigger. I did not mean to add 3. Anyways, you decorate it while I do the frosting. Get back to work. What did I say? You could stop working. Never let children cook.
Let me cook.
It's naked. The cake is naked. Hold on. Give me
Get some clothes on!
There. 2, 3, 4. This is perfect. Oh Stop! No! It's out.
Hey, stay out. I say when it's out.
No, Gourdy, why?
It's out. Oh.
You gotta decorate it correctly, twin. Anyways, why is the white stuff still over here?
Why is there like 20 balls?
Anyways, okay.
I'm going to ruin the cake.
Don't you?
I can ruin it so fast.
Okay, now let's add these ugly Dorito chips.
Egg.
There. Our beautiful cake. It's so beautiful.
Oh yeah. Vector.
Get out! You need to leave!
Alright.
Wait, it's missing something.
What?
Gordy, happy birthday.